Through testing, we've found that the rotating knob function of the GRS Super Joystick provides the best gaming experience when playing games using the MAME2010 core. This video will explain how to ensure that games in the Batocera system are launched using MAME2010 to simulate arcade games. First, press and hold A until the Game Settings menu pops up. Then, press Advanced Game Options in the Options menu. Here, we need to ensure that the emulator is set to LIBRETRO MAME0139, where MAME0139 refers to MAME2010. You can then press B to exit and normally start the game. At this point, the selected game will run using MAME2010.